Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the ABNB Mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. ABNB Mobile is a travel and accommodation app developed by Airbnb, designed to help users find, book, and manage short-term rentals worldwide. The app integrates property search, instant booking, host communication, itinerary management, and secure payment options, all in one platform. It also provides personalized recommendations and user reviews to make informed choices. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated by travelers for its clean interface, easy navigation, and regularly updated listings. Users can quickly search for properties, communicate with hosts, and manage bookings across multiple devices. Many travelers also like the personalized suggestions based on their previous trips and preferences. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While most basic features are free, some properties may require additional fees, and availability can be limited in certain locations. Users occasionally report glitches, booking errors, or delayed host responses. Also, the app's usefulness depends on property selection in the desired area, so in some regions, options may feel limited. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the ABNB mobile app may be worth using if you're a traveler looking for convenient, reliable, and flexible accommodation options. It shines in usability, personalization, and global property access. However, if you're booking in areas with fewer listings or prefer fully free services, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.